It took 24 years to discover that there is proof that Snape was a vampire. Danny Snape could be a vampire because we know that vampires exist in this world because Harry meets one named Seguidi in Half-Blood Prince. But I'm not going to give credence to the fact that he could be a vampire because he's pale and stays in the dungeons. Okay, great. But it is possible that he could be in the sun because he was a potioneer. I'm sure he could come up with a way of potion to let him be in the sunlight if he was a vampire. But the problem there becomes if he did that, why wouldn't he sell that? He would be incredibly wealthy if he did that, which means that maybe he doesn't want people to know he's a vampire because people don't like other mythical creatures, like why Lupin gets a bunch of flack for being a werewolf. He also has heightened senses like a vampire. He always seems to know when people are in trouble, like when Harry's out with the Marauders map and when Harry is out with the invisibility cloak when he's in the restricted section in the first movie and he reaches out and tries to grab him even though he's under the invisibility cloak. Like, he might just have a seventh sense. Also, when he battled McGonagall, it seemed like he almost morphed into a bat when he did the spell, took down the Callows, and then zeeted out of that window. And in the books, he jumps off the tower and flies, and Harry's like, oh, there was like a bat-like figure in the air. Now, we know that him and Voldemort are the only two wizards who can learn how to fly, so I don't think that necessarily makes him a vampire, but it's an interesting point to bring up.